Okay, y'all. Excuse me for being out of breath, but we just toted this in here and it's real wood, so. Oh, excuse me. But this is the desk I'm fixing to redo. We bought it on Marketplace for 20 bucks. So yeah, we're gonna redo that. Excuse me. I'm fixing to paint it with white chalk paint. Okay, y'all. So this is what the desk turned out like. I went this morning and bought some more chalk paint for it. And I also went to Hobby Lobby and bought the scrapbooking paper to do the inside of, oops, sorry about that. To do the inside of the drawers. Okay, y'all. I'm back. We went to Lowe's. There's Mahela. She's cleaning her room finally. Anyway, so this is what the desk ended up looking like. It looks super cute. It's got cow print. I don't know if y'all can even see that. It's got cow print inside.
Does my doll have this? Does my doll have this?
This one right here, it still sticks a little bit. Not sure why, but there we go. But yeah, we'll just leave it alone, honey. That's what we've been doing this afternoon. We finished up the desk. Yeah.
Is that okay right there?
Yeah, until Daddy gets the bottom of the closet finished.
Yeah, I know. Then I'll put it in there.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So, I just wanted to show y'all that desk. It turned out really cute. And I know Mahala's going to have it full of junk. That's what she does. So, alright, I'm going to sit here and watch some YouTube. That's really cool. That window's very clean. I love clean windows, y'all. I don't know what it is about them, but I love clean windows. Alright, so I guess until tomorrow, I'll take y'all with me wherever I go, whatever I do. Alright, see y'all tomorrow. And you can see my scar. See, there's no one. That's my scar. I will put up pictures of what it looked like. It looked really bad. Sophie, down. It looked really bad, but it was just cellulitis. I don't know if it'll come back. I've had it 3 times, so more than likely it will. But I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.